A chatbot platform called ChatGPT AI enables companies to automate customer care and interactions. It's a strong instrument that may make businesses more profitable by saving them money and time. There are a few things you should be aware of if you plan to use ChatGPT AI in your company in the upcoming years. In this video, we'll cover everything from how ChatGPT AI works to tips for monetizing it. So keep watching to learn more about how ChatGPT AI can help make money for your business in the next few years. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. ChatGPT. A chatbot creation platform called ChatGPT AI makes it simple for programmers to create, test, and use chatbots. The platform provides a selection of tools and APIs that make it simple to build bots that can communicate with people in natural language. Additionally, ChatGPT AI provides a hosted chatbot solution that enables companies to employ chatbots to interact with their clients. Businesses can manage the bot's message delivery, user experience, and analytics using the hosted chatbot service. How ChatGPT AI works. An AI-powered chatbot called ChatGPT can help your organization generate leads and conversions. It takes information from user interactions to find the finest prospects for your company. Natural language processing is used by ChatGPT AI to help it comprehend and address client inquiries. It offers a variety of functions, including email marketing, appointment setting, and lead creation. You must register an account in order to use ChatGPT AI. You may configure your bot and begin producing leads after logging in. Additionally, you can alter the bot's responses to suit the requirements of your company. You may target various market categories with ChatGPT AI. You may, for instance, target clients who have shown interest in your goods or services. As an alternative, you may go after recent clients who have not yet made a purchase. A variety of business models are compatible with ChatGPT AI. Through email marketing campaigns or webinars, you can use it to generate leads or draw in new clients. How do I get started using ChatGPT AI? You must register in order to use ChatGPT AI. You will have access to the primary environment, where you can begin earning money once you have created your account. The first step in using ChatGPT AI to make money is to develop a campaign. A campaign is a group of jobs that you give your chatbot and then pay it to finish. The tasks are located in the left side navigation panel once your campaign has been created, in the information box below the tasks list. You can also learn more about the commission rates and payment schedules for each assignment. When you locate a task that piques your interest, click on it to view more information about it. Information like the commission percent, payment schedule, and number of needed responses are all shown in the information panel. What are the benefits of using ChatGPT AI? A chatbot that lets users earn money is called ChatGPT AI. It offers an automated method of selling goods and services, and can be used to produce leads and make sales. The ease of usage, speed, and dependability of ChatGPT AI are only a few advantages. How to make money with ChatGPT AI in 2023. Create and market chatbot applications using ChatGPT. Chatbots can be created for a variety of purposes, including customer support, e-commerce, entertainment, and education. These chatbots can be sold to organizations or people that want to use them. Offer chatbot development services. If you are skilled in developing chatbots, you may offer your services to organizations or people who require chatbots for their websites or applications. Use ChatGPT to create content. Text can be generated using ChatGPT, including articles, blog entries, and social media updates. Through advertising, affiliate marketing, or the sale of digital goods, you can use this material to monetize your website or social media channels. Train ChatGPT for specific tasks. Using ChatGPT, you may train the model to perform particular tasks, such answering inquiries about a particular subject or producing responses in a particular tone or fashion. Then, you can market this trained model to organizations or people that require it for their chatbots. Regardless of how you decide to utilize ChatGPT, it's critical to have a strategy in place and be aware of any potential ethical and legal ramifications of employing AI in your company. What does ChatGPT really mean for businesses? A brand new chatbot with artificial intelligence called ChatGPT has swept the internet. This tool is the most recent illustration of how AI-based solutions are enhancing how we conduct business. There are plenty others, but DALL-E 2 and other generative visual AIs are developing especially quickly. A variation of the GPT language model called ChatGPT was created expressly for the purpose of producing text that sounds like human speech in a conversational setting. It is intended to produce natural language responses in response to user input, making it potentially helpful in a range of business applications where having a conversational tone like that of a human with clients or customers is desired. Businesses need to reevaluate how they operate, the goods and services they provide, and how AIs like ChatGPT could improve processes and provide better customer experiences in light of this new technology. Companies that wisely utilize technology might benefit greatly from tools like ChatGPT. Chat-based AI can improve human productivity by automating monotonous jobs and fostering more interesting user interactions. Many businesses have a lot of room to grow in the area of customer service. Businesses can automate numerous operations traditionally carried out by people and significantly reduce response times by using ChatGPT technology to produce responses for their own customer care chatbots. According to a research by Opus Research, 48% of consumers don't care whether a human or an artificial chatbot assists them with a customer service inquiry. And 35% of consumers want to see more businesses use chatbots. In general, ChatGPT can be helpful for any circumstance where you must produce natural-sounding text based on input data. On the other side, if your competitors effectively use the technology and your business does not, the advantages of AI-based chatbots could morph into risks. Technology with huge potential. By automating operations that are typically done by people, systems like ChatGPT have the potential to increase productivity and efficiency in a range of corporate scenarios. Although ChatGPT is a relatively new technology, its capabilities are probably going to keep developing and getting better over time. A breakthrough social media network called ChatGPT AI will alter how individuals earn money. The effect of ChatGPT AI and its ability to have a positive impact on our world are growing along with the internet. You may start making money from your social media channels right away by using ChatGPT AI. There has never been a better time to start than right now. With more than 1 million active users and counting. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.